Good evening, guys. Yes, welcome to another episode of my channel. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and all the people who've been watching all my videos here in Jamaica. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So yes, guys, I am at the Drax Plaza. Yes, we are at the Plaza Hall right now, and you see that from the start of the video as well. So please relax back and enjoy this video, guys. Get your popcorn, get your drink, get everything you can, guys, you know, and please relax back and enjoy this video. So right around the plaza, you know, we're going to be giving you some walk, and then over here you can see we got, you know, the cafe over that side, and you see the Pizza Hut is over that side, you know, so it's a very nice place, and it so it's a good look and everything. And over there, so you got the KFC, which is over that side. And then right here, so is where everybody stay and order the chicken and everything. Yes, we got lots of order on the board. Yes, a lot of people stay here and order. And we're going to be going over that side soon, you know. So over there, got a lot of people come and chill over that side. Yes. And this is the KFC over this side. And then this is the car park, you know, where the people park and everything. Yes. Yes, guys, and this is right at the side of the Starbucks as well, right over here. That's the side of the Starbucks. And right over there we got the fitness. That's the Express Fitness Club over that side, guys. Yes, and we got other places over there as well. Place is nice, man. It's a nice place, you know. Yes, so we got Devon House right here, guys. So this is where I was telling you from earlier. Yes, and you can get to see that's Devon House right over this side. Let's come around this side. Here it is, guys. This is the front of it. Yeah, that is the front bit. And right over here, so we got the courts. Courts is over that side, guys. So if you want to buy your furniture, your bed, and your things like that, yes, that is the place to go. We're coming up to the front bit, guys, where I can show you properly. And here is, guys, this is the front of the courts. Yes. Yes, guys, so this is a very beautiful place, man. There's so many nice things here in Jamaica, guys, you know. I love Jamaica. And we got another building over there as well. Yes, that place has just opened. It's a very new building. It's a very new building, guys, you know. So that place has just opened up. And look at over here, guys. Over here, so it's a really nice building. There's another building over here, so guys. Yes, that's a place where you have a supermarket and restaurant. But it looks like a private place. It's like a drive-in. It's more of a drive-in, innit? Look at it, guys, you know. So they have the thing over here where you drive in and all them something. So yes, more of a drive-in. And look at the way they plant up the front way with the flowers as well. Yes, man, I love the way they done the walkway though. I'll give them a 10 for that, for making the front look so nice with the beautiful flowers. I love it. Over this side is the highway, you know, so right over this side is the highway part. You can see one truck there. This is a gas truck, which is normally in English is a fuel truck. It's a fuel truck. And look at the nice flowers they have here as well. Flowers and everything is nice here. Very beautiful. And over that side as well. Look at the flowers over that side as well. See that, guys? Zoom that in there, you guys can see that properly. It's nice. Okay then, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is where I'm finishing the video for today. Yes, and don't forget to always share and subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to also go and check out DMAC 4K World Tour, also Miss Chin Adventure, Wayne Mighty 4K Exploring. Please go and check out the channel, Smiley, Mushroom Rose Lifestyle. Yep, all the links are going to be down into the description. So thank you so much. This is it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing out from the beautiful Lanier in Jamaica, here in the Drax Plaza. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here, get more cash, guys. The Square Market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in it. Look at that. Oh, I think he must have rocked. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
Follow him! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. You know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys, you know. So I'm very famous in this country.